In the silent theatre of space, where cosmic dust dances in the void and stars ignite and fade across eons, a faint whisper, a digital echo from the edges of our solar system, has returned to us. It's a message carried on the backs of photons, traversing unimaginable distances. It travelled for days, weeks even, crossing billions of miles of darkness, a lonely journey through the interstellar gulf to reach home, to reach us. This is the story of a signal, a beacon of information from our most distant traveller, Voyager 2, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. For decades, this tiny emissary, a mere speck against the vast canvas of space, has been our eyes and ears in the unknown, a silent observer sending back glimpses of the cosmos. But its latest transmission is different, profound, unsettling, hinting at something beyond our current comprehension. It carries a weight, a sense of the unknown that sends shivers down the spines of even the most seasoned scientists. Deep within NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, amidst the hum of computers and the focused gaze of engineers, a single data packet arrived, a tiny fragment of information from the void. It was an anomaly, a blip on the radar, from a probe many saw as a relic, a forgotten piece of history still stubbornly clinging to life. Voyager 2, launched in 1977, a time when disco reigned and space exploration was at its peak, was never expected to speak so clearly, so distinctly from so far away. It has journeyed beyond the sun's protective embrace, past the heliosphere's edge, into the interstellar medium, the realm of wandering cosmic rays and the whispers of distant stars. Its mission was a grand tour of our celestial neighbourhood, a flyby of the gas giants, a chance to witness the beauty and diversity of our solar system. But now, decades later, it sent back a message that challenges our understanding of the cosmos, forcing us to reconsider our place in the grand scheme of things. The signal was faint, a mere whisper in the cosmic symphony, barely distinguishable from the background noise, the static of the universe, yet undeniably there, a persistent voice cutting through the silence. As the data was decoded, line by line, bit by bit, initial joy at hearing from the old probe gave way to awe and a little fear, a sense that we had stumbled upon something profound. The numbers, once crunched and analysed, told a story of a universe far stranger, far more complex, and far less empty than we ever imagined, a universe teeming with secrets waiting to be uncovered. To grasp this discovery, we must remember Voyager 2's purpose. Born from a rare celestial alignment, it was our first true interstellar messenger. Attached to its side, a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, images and greetings in 55 languages. It's a message in a bottle, a hopeful gesture to the cosmos. Voyager 2's journey was epic, past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, revealing worlds of storms and icy rings. After its planetary mission, it just kept going, venturing into the space between the stars. Since 2018, it's been sending back data from beyond the heliopause, the edge of our sun's influence. Until now, that data confirmed our models. But everything has changed. The probe's latest findings defy expectations. Voyager 2's greatest discovery may have just begun. As Voyager 2 travelled deeper, its voice grew fainter. Its nuclear battery decayed, and NASA engineers shut down instruments to conserve power. Communication became rare, signals weaker, requiring Earth's largest antennas. The probe entered a region scientists thought would be uneventful. Data streams became repetitive, confirming a thin, cold plasma. The excitement of planetary flybys faded into a quiet vigil, yet in the background there were tiny, fleeting anomalies, blips and energy spikes dismissed as noise. These were logged but never explained. Voyager 2, built with 1970s technology, survived against all odds. The team grew accustomed to its steady, predictable reports. But those ignored whispers from the void were the first clues. The universe was not as uniform as we believed. Something was waiting to be discovered. Decades drifted by. Voyager 2 continued its lonely voyage, a silent sentinel carrying humanity's message into the void. Then, on a quiet Tuesday in 2025, the unexpected happened. A robust transmission arrived, bursting with information, a torrent of data unlike anything seen before. It was as if the probe had found a new, inexhaustible power source. Energy readings were off the charts, spiking to levels deemed impossible by known physics. The scientists monitoring the feed exchanged bewildered glances. The team braced for the inevitable silence, expecting the surge to be a fleeting anomaly. But instead, more packets arrived, an unrelenting stream of information. Voyager 2 was wide awake, more alive than it had ever been. Dormant instruments, silent for decades, were suddenly active, humming with renewed purpose. The energy spikes were now organized, coalescing into a complex, repeating pattern, a structured signal emerging from the chaos. This was definitively not a malfunction. The probe's diagnostics showed perfect health, every system nominal. Its power levels were inexplicably high, defying all known energy conservation principles. The data presented a profound paradox. Magnetic fields twisted and contorted in ways that challenged theoretical models. Plasma densities soared to levels previously thought unattainable in the vacuum of space, and cosmic ray detectors registered unprecedented energies, bathing the probe in a cascade of exotic particles. It was as if Voyager 2 had stumbled into a raging, invisible storm, a tempest of cosmic forces. A storm that, according to all established scientific understanding, should not exist. The probe had found something extraordinary, or perhaps something extraordinary had found it. The fundamental laws of physics seemed to bend and break before their very eyes, rewritten in real time by an unknown force. The universe had just revealed a new mysterious face, a glimpse into a realm of possibilities that had previously existed only in the realm of theoretical speculation. With new data streaming in, the team found themselves swimming in a sea of information. Every byte, every signal was a potential clue. To make sense of it all, scientists revisited old logs, meticulously combing through years of archived data. They were searching for anything that might shed light on the probe's unusual behavior. Those dismissed anomalies, previously considered mere background noise or instrument errors, were now the prologue to a grand cosmic narrative. A trail of faint echoes, whispers from the deep cosmos, leading inexorably to this very moment. Each data point was a breadcrumb, guiding them through the interstellar darkness. The probe, Voyager 2, had been interacting with an unknown phenomenon for years, unknowingly dancing with a cosmic force beyond human comprehension. Energy spikes, subtle yet persistent, matched subtle course corrections, almost imperceptible at first glance. It was as if Voyager 2 was being nudged along a path, gently guided by an unseen hand towards an unknown destination. The implications were staggering, sending shivers down the spines of even the most seasoned scientists. The probe was not merely an observer, but an active participant, a key piece in an unfolding event of cosmic proportions. The interstellar medium, once thought to be a uniform void, an empty canvas, was anything but. It was a place of hidden structures and rules, a complex tapestry woven with unseen forces and energies. The anomalies were not random occurrences, but the language of a universe we'd never known, a symphony of cosmic communication. The team felt both exhilaration and dread, a potent cocktail of emotions as they grappled with the enormity of their discovery. They stood on the edge of a discovery that could rewrite textbooks, shatter long-held beliefs, and redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. The past anomalies were not just errors, but warnings, subtle clues left for those who dared to look closely. Signals of a new cosmic reality, a hidden dimension of the universe now beginning to reveal itself. Voyager 2's journey had taken a sharp, unexpected turn, veering off its original trajectory into uncharted territory. The universe was far more complex, more interconnected and more mysterious than we ever imagined, holding secrets that were now on the verge of being unlocked. The question now, what did Voyager 2 encounter? The probe is interacting with something organized, powerful and utterly alien. Some suggest we've made first contact not with a ship, but with intelligence woven into the universe itself. The patterns are too complex to be random. They resemble data flows in a supercomputer. Perhaps we've stumbled upon a galactic network or a form of life as pure energy. The golden record was our greeting. Maybe this is the universe's reply? Others propose natural explanations, cosmic strings, domain walls, relics of the Big Bang. Even these would be monumental discoveries. Whatever the truth, Voyager 2 has pierced a veil, showing us the darkness between stars is full of secrets. We have just received our first clue. Excitement is shadowed by a darker possibility. The energy recharging Voyager 2 is analytical. This is a conversation, not just a broadcast. The probe systems are being scanned and studied by the phenomenon. It's not listening to our music, it's analyzing our technology. This is a technical interrogation, not a cultural exchange. Scientists now face a dilemma. Do they keep listening, try to communicate, or attempt to sever the connection? Each choice carries risk. Knowledge gained or secrets revealed, the calm in control rooms has turned to tense silence. The universe may not just be strange, it could be dangerous. Voyager 2 was our hopeful hello. Now we must confront what we've awakened. Something is stirring on the other side of the door. Voyager 2's story is far from over. A new chapter has begun. What started as a tour of our solar system is now a journey into the unknown. Each signal adds to a puzzle that grows more profound. Scientists worldwide are working to understand what our distant messenger has found. We stand at the edge of a new cosmic landscape, facing questions we never imagined. Are we on the verge of first contact? Or have we stumbled into danger? With every signal, we learn more about our place in the universe. The journey of discovery is a human endeavor. Curiosity, courage, and wonder. The universe has answered our call. Now, we must learn its language. Join us again at Cosmic Discoveries as we continue to explore the truth together.